Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the elbow CC. I've been searching YouTube and it seems that I can't find anyone teaching this kind of tutorial before because elbow CC is quite rare actually. Not a lot of people doing it. So today I decided to show you guys how it's done. First move that you need to master, of course, is a basic CC, and I prefer you guys to know how to do the double hand CC. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what's the difference. This is the normal CC. Switch. Alright, so the double hand CC is very similar, but instead of placing one hand on the ground, you want to place both hands on the ground and move your body to each side. There you go, the double hand CC. It's better if you can master the double hand CC because if you already know how to do it, it's easier for you to master the elbow CC. I'm going to cut to the chase. I'm going to show you guys how it's done, alright? It's very simple as long as you know how to do the double hand CC. In double hand CC, you're doing like this, alright? Now, make sure that the pose is the same, but this time use your right elbow on the ground, alright? And after that you place your right elbow, make sure you put your right knee on the ground as well. So it looks something like this. If I go in from the double hand CC, make sure it's low. I'm going to do it from this side. This is normal double hand CC. You want to place your right knee on the ground and look at my right hand. I'm going to slowly place it on the ground as well. Alright, so my right elbow and my right knee is on the ground, but I'm still keeping the shape of the CC. There's one fatal mistake that people always get it wrong, which is the elbow placement. So the elbow placement is not where your right hand is. Instead, you want to place it aligned with your right hand. Let me show you what I mean. Now my right hand is over here, you can see. When I place my elbow, I make sure that my elbow is below my right hand. Alright? People tend to make mistake when they place the elbow to where the right hand is. So just make sure that you place your elbow below your hand. Like all the CC, after you master one side, you want to make sure that you learn the other side. Still the same concept. Elbow CC. Now I'm gonna push and I'm gonna straighten out my bending leg, which is my left leg. I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna do the other CC. Switch. So keep in mind, elbow up, switch, elbow up, switch. Alright? It's not like elbow to elbow, it's elbow up to your hand, switch side. So there you go, the elbow CC. Make sure you master the double hand CC first. As you can see, it's a lot more easier when you apply the double hand CC first to the elbow rather than the normal one hand CC. If you have any questions, do let me know, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give a thumbs up. Remember to turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. That's it. I will see you guys next time.